PRINCE2, short for Projects in Controlled Environments, is one of the world's most recognized frameworks in project management. It was initially created by the UK government just for IT projects. Over time, PRINCE2 evolved to fit different industries. It's used in industries like construction, finance, healthcare, government projects, consulting, and more. In September 2023, PRINCE2 6th edition had major changes leading to PRINCE2 7. Change number 1, a new PRINCE2 element, people. In the previous edition of PRINCE2, there were 4 elements that led to a successful project. Later, they realized that most of the success relied in the hands of those who dealt with it. Leadership, collaboration, communication, and cooperation were important areas that were ignored, leading to issues affecting the quality of the output. Change number 2. Themes are now practices. Axelos, the organization providing ITIL certifications, and PRINCE2 wanted both certifications to have similar names, leading to themes being renamed as practices. Change number 3. Principles are now action-based. Previously, the principles were like rules. These should be done and these shouldn't be. Now, it's like guidelines to remember. Change number 4. Introducing relationships to connect roles and responsibilities. In the 6th edition, roles and responsibilities existed without a clear boundary. This led to the same person wearing multiple hats. Now, each role and responsibility has a relationship connecting both. Change number 5, a new control aspect, sustainability. There were 6 control aspects used to determine whether the project was delivered efficiently or not. They were cost, risk, time, scope, benefits, and quality. Now, a 7th measure has been included. Those are the major updates in the latest version. Want to give PRINCE2 7 a try? Visit Aspirex and start your 7-day free trial today.